I am doing this makeup tutorial. The eyes. I love the eyes. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like and subscribe for more. And yeah, let's go with the video. You like the new setup? Okay, for primer, I'm taking the MAC Strobe Cream and applying it to my face. I always say that. I don't know why I say that. It's just irritating. I went ahead and primed my eyelids. Now moving on to eyeshadow. You already know. Chocolate Gold palette is everything. I'm gonna start off by taking So Bougie and working it into my crease as I transition. Now I'm going into Cocoa Truffle and applying some to my crease and just doing windshield wiper motions. I'm going to be mixing Cocoa Truffle and So Bougie and applying it to my outer V. Now for the fun part, the shimmers. I want to use like every single color in here, but that's impossible. So I'm going to start off by taking Old Money. I'm putting it over the matte shades we put in the outer V. I'm going into Famous and putting it like on the, kind of on the middle of the lid, but I'm like putting two colors on the middle of the lid, so. Taking Chocolate Gold, I'm putting it on the other half of the lid, middle of the lid. Now finally, I'm going into Gold Dip and putting it on my inner corner. I want to add one more color, so I'm putting Rich Curl into the inner corner. For eyeliner, you already know, I'm taking my favorite eyeliner. It's the L'Oreal Super Slim Infallible Eyeliner. And it's been my favorite for a while, and it's actually drugstore. So I popped on some lashes. These are the Lily Lashes in Miami. Now for foundation, I'm not gonna lie, I just took a nap in a full face of makeup, and my skin isn't doing so hot right now. So I need full coverage, and I'm gonna be using the Revlon Color Stay Foundation. Most full coverage drugstore foundation I have found yet. Now for concealer, I have been loving the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I don't know why I'm using so many drugstore products today, but I am. Now for brows, I am taking the L'Oreal La Crème Liner, but it's in my brow shade, which if you've been around my channel for a while, you know I used to use all the time. Then I went into the Makeup Forever Flash Palette, and now I'm going back into this. Baking my face using the Absolute Flawless HG Flawless Powder. For contour today, I'm using the Absolute Contour and Blush Palette. Once again, I like to mix these two shades for contour. It makes the perfect shade for me. For highlight, I'm taking the Sephora Collection Colorful Shadow in Ballet Shoes. It just gives the most gorgeous highlight in the world. In the Kylie Cosmetics Cocoa Collection, this is in Chloe's. I'm applying it to my lips. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe for more. And I'll see you next time.